Welcome to this tutorial on NX on how to create sheets or drawings with section views and callouts and balloons and tables. So to do this, of course you'll probably start in the model of your assembly or part, and to change it into a drawing you'll just click Start, Draft, which will pull you into the drafting mode. It'll Since I've already drawn stuff here, it didn't pull up it, but when you first create it, you come up with a sheet, or you can always hit New Sheet. And so just set the settings that you want, and we'll get a new sheet. This will fill out the information down in the corner down here on everything that you want. And then once you've got your sheet, you're going to want to create a view, which you can create here with the Insert View Creation Wizard. And we want the whole thing. Go to Layer and plop out some of the other section views that we want. Then, if we want a exploded view of our part, we can click on View Creation Wizard and click the part, of course, and we want it's not in View Creation Wizard, it's in View Base, and instead of being top we want to do trimetric. You can see it shows up the exploded view then as our part. As you can see over here, it's basically just showing what view this is in. So since that is how we want the exploded view to be, we can put it in just like that. And change its shading into full. Now we want a bill of materials. To do that, you just go to Table, Parts List. It looks like that error is because I already had a table, so I deleted the one on the other sheet since we're just replicating it. Parts List, and you can see the little box and you can place it wherever you want, and it shows you automatically all the parts that you have in this assembly. Then say you want to put balloons out, auto balloon, you just select the object that you want it to balloon off of. Insert table, parts, oh no, we did a parts list already. Table, auto balloon. Then we get a pick. After you select the table, then you select the object, and we want our trimetric to have the balloons on them. And you can see it pops them out. You can move the balloons around to more appropriate locations or ones that better fit your model. So now that we have our table matched up with our assembly, we can do section views, or section views and detail views. We'll do a detail view first. So you just select and drag your circle around the object, and then you can place it. That way you have a bigger view of what you're looking at for complicated parts or locations that have lots of detail in them. We're going to create a new sheet now for that cylinder because it has a tricky piece on it. So we're going to do the same thing. Pulls up a new sheet. You can fill that out if you want. We're going to insert View Creation Wizard, and we're going to want the base, and we're just going to want those two locations. Scoot them over a little bit. So you can see that there's quite a bit going on, or a little bit that can be confusing. If we go to View Section, and do a simple step, we can choose a few different things here. Now then you select on your object you want to select, and then right here you can change the direction you want to go. We want to do in the Y direction. Just select it and then pop out the part. And it automatically labeled it for you, section DD or AA, depending on whichever one it is. Now say you want to create a custom table, you just go to Table, Tabular Note, and you can choose in how many lines and column width, and you can place the location. You can do everything you can do in Word with this table. You can select everything, combined or merge the blocks. You can change their height. Then you can just fill it out with your name, whatever scale, revision number, and so on. And so you can see that you can put images in here. You just go insert image. Now if you have your own image, you just browse for it in whatever, but for this tutorial I'll just grab one of these logos. You can scale it and move it around to wherever you want. That's the end of this tutorial.